So far, every time I wash it, it feels like I stepped out of the hair salon, so that's great.
I just love the feeling of my scalp being so clean.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm obsessed. I mean, I literally don't recognize my hair. I feel like someone magically replaced all of it. My experience with Nioxin has been amazing. My hair is completely different. I mean, it has a lot more body and I feel prettier and more confident. I don't have to spend as much time styling my hair anymore. You know what that means? That I'm not late to everywhere I go. At first, I didn't think Nioxin was a brand for me, but now I'm convinced it's for everyone.